It felt the sun was setting on the world and its plans. We didn't have to worry, we were always in good hands. From the plate to the table, there's work that never ends. In the heart of the country, yeah, we all have some friends. Thank God for the farmers, nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you'll hear me say, thank God for the farmers. Did we start to lose our way and praise the wrong things? Celebrate celebrity, big cars and diamond rings. It took a storm to show us where shelter can be found. Now we've learned who we can lean on when all else is falling down. Thank God for the farmers, nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you'll hear me say, thank God for the farmers. Nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you'll hear me say, thank God for the farmers, nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you'll hear me say, thank God for the farmers. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers.
I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work, road rage jerks, shouting obscene words, flipping me the bird. Well, you may be on a state paved road, but that blacktop runs through my payload. Excuse me for trying to do my job, but this year ain't been no bumper crop. If you don't like the way I'm a-driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise, sit tight and be nice and quit your honking at me that way. 'Cause I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. Hey, that's what I make. I pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Well, I know you got your own deadlines, but cussing at me won't save you no time, hoss. This big wheeled wide load ain't going any faster, so just smile and wave and tip your hat to the man up on the tractor, 'cause I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. Hey, that's what I make. I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my flower, chugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester.
Daddy left his hands in dirt, and often tired and sometimes hurt. He could make life grow from things inert. That's a farmer's life. He taught me to work beneath the cloudless skies, to face my fears in the darkest nights. He taught me to talk to Jesus Christ, say a farmer's prayer. Jesus walked these fields with me, give me strength and the faith I need. Bless this farm, my family, and this farmer's life. The smell of life rides a prairie breeze, generations watching over me. The next in line is bouncing on my knee, learning a farmer's prayer. Jesus walked these fields with me, give me strength, the faith I need. Bless this farm and my family, and this farmer's life. Bless this farm and my family, and this farmer's life. That's this farmer's prayer.